Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a landscape A3 size in Canva. This is especially useful if you're a Shopify store owner creating in-store posters, promotional flyers, trade show signage, or even large presentation slides for print. If you're preparing a poster, flyer, or presentation slide for print, A3 landscape is a great choice because it's wide and spacious, and it follows standard print dimensions that most print shops are already set up for. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along without any confusion, even if you're brand new to Canva. Start by heading to the main dashboard in Canva. This is the home screen you see when you open Canva, where all your recent designs and templates are displayed. It's also where you can quickly access brand kits or previous projects. If you've been working on another project, just return to the home screen so you're starting from a clean slate, which helps avoid accidentally using the wrong dimensions. Next, click the Create button at the top. Depending on your interface, this may read Create a Design, and it usually sits in the upper right corner. Clicking this opens a menu that helps you pick the exact size and format you want, which is important for consistent printing and layout, especially when you want your design to look the same on screen and in print. From here, use the search bar that appears in the design picker to type in A3. Type it exactly as A3 to bring up the standard options. A 3 is a common print size that measures 297 by 420 millimeters, making it ideal for larger visuals that need breathing room. Canva has it ready so you don't have to set it manually, which reduces the risk of sizing errors. You'll see an option labeled A3 Landscape in the results. Make sure you choose the landscape version, not portrait, because landscape is the wider horizontal layout that works well for banners, wide posters, or side-by-side content. Selecting the correct orientation at this stage saves you time and prevents layout issues later on. Click A3 Landscape, and Canva will create the design for you instantly. A new blank canvas opens at the correct A3 landscape dimensions, and you're ready to build your project. You'll notice the workspace looks like a wide page. That's how you can tell the orientation is set correctly before you start adding content. From this point, you can do whatever you want with your design. Add text, images, shapes, and brand elements just like you normally would, including your Shopify branding, product photos, or promotional messaging. If you're planning to print, using high-quality images and keeping important content away from the edges can help avoid trimming or cut off text. You can also zoom in and out to check details and ensure everything looks crisp and balanced before exporting. That's all there is to it. By starting from the main dashboard, clicking Create, searching A3, and selecting A3 Landscape, you get a perfectly sized, ready-to-use canvas for your landscape project. It's quick, accurate, and ideal for getting professional results without guesswork. Give it a try on your next poster or handout, and enjoy the extra room that the landscape layout provides for clear, eye-catching designs. If this walkthrough helped you set up the right canvas size in Canva, go ahead and give it a like. It really supports the channel. If you're a Shopify store owner or just getting started with design, make sure to subscribe for more simple, step-by-step tutorials you can actually use. Drop a comment below if you have questions or want to see another Canva or Shopify topic covered next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.